Making homemade suet that gets poured onto pine cones, and then the pine cones get put in the fridge or freezer until you're ready to use them, and then you hang them up in the yard. So we are working on that now. We've got peanut butter and Crisco melting in the microwave, and that gets poured in the bowl along with fruits and nuts and birdseed and flour and cornmeal and all that good stuff. All right, Daddy, you're in charge now.
In charge.
Help her put it on there. Do her thing.
See this top of the pine cone? Don't get them on that part of the pine cone, okay? Put them on this part. This part of it. That way the birds can have something to land on. Okay?
Okay.
That's what it looks like.
Roll it in.
Pour it over.
It's like a pine cone bath.
You smush it in there.
It's like
Okay.
a pine cone
You
bath.
do it.
See how Daddy's doing it?
Fill it in. So, in the wintertime, birds need food.
That's right.
And so, oh, Daddy.
It's all right.
I want to do mine. Oh, yeah. Oh, honey. Oh, honey.
No, remember it's got to stay clear at the top. All right, there we go. That's what they look like. Now we're going to pop them in the freezer for later. Now we're making hummingbird food, and we're also boiling an egg for a science experiment that we'll be doing in a little bit.
One.
Okay, and then over in here is where we put the pine cones. We'll let them freeze. Now some of you may be wondering why I have a bunch of eggshells sitting here. They've actually been rinsed, and we're not going to throw them out. We're going to use them to help provide calcium for the birds. You just take your eggshells in the morning, rinse them out, and then bake them in the oven at 250 degrees for, oh well, it's only a few minutes. It doesn't take that long. You don't want them to get brown. And then once they're dry and crumbly, you can break them up and put them in here. Now these, the last batch I did, got a little brown. That's why they look like that. But you throw them out there and mix it in with the bird seed or the suet or whatever else you might be putting out there. And the birds will pick at that and use it as a calcium supplement. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way, an inexpensive way, I should say, to help take care of the birds in your neighborhood, this is one of them. Just save your shells from breakfast and heat them for a little bit, crumble them up and throw them outside and you're good to go. Oh, and of course they also work in a compost bin. If you want to do compost bin or worm farming, you can use the shells for that as well.